Hello, my name's Jonathan, and I'm here with Lasar, where we've been certified Mooney specialists for over 40 years. Today I want to talk to you about some of the more common concerns regarding the parts and maintenance for your Mooney. Let's talk shop. Today we're talking about insurance repairs. Now, hopefully you'll never have a problem that requires insurance, but if you do, Lasar is here to help. A common insurance repair we see is due to gear up landings. The Mooney is an incredibly strong airplane and gets almost no damage except for the propeller. The challenge there is that the propeller is bolted directly to the crankshaft of the engine, and the FAA says the engine must be pulled off the airplane and completely disassembled. In those situations, a Lasar representative will fly to your location and run special tests to assess the engine in its damaged condition. If the engine is flyable, we lock your landing gear down, attach one of our FAA-approved loaner propellers to your plane, and fly it to the shop. If the engine isn't flyable, we'll disassemble the airplane and bring it to the shop by flatbed. Beyond gear-up insurance claims, we occasionally get a busted wingtip from a taxiing crash or a variety of other small accidents. We rebuild a lot of parts in our shop and have thousands of replacement parts on hand to get you back up and running as soon as possible. Regardless of your situation, we will work directly with your insurance company to make sure you are fully taken care of. We sure hope you found that video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and share it on Facebook with your friends, and like it on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions regarding the maintenance or parts for your Mooney, give us a call at Lasar or visit us online at lasar.com and we'll get you taken care of. Until next time, I'm Jonathan with Lasar. Take care.